Mattel, I don't know what it is, but these racing red cars are actually kind of cool, and we want more of them. Like, we got the metallic scavenger hunt cars the previous years, and other specials like silvers. Now we're getting the racing red series, and red is one of my favourite colours. And I love metallic red paint. And yes, today we'll be reviewing Racing Red Jackson Storm, as you can see here. Now let me bring, of course, this car forward, because I will be opening him up. And I did say I wouldn't be opening him up, but I most likely will be getting a second one along the lines of 2021. So, you know, I'm going to open him up for you guys. And yeah. So, before I show him off the package, I would like to say that my next video will be on Ducky Fauntleroy, aka Donald Duck. So, yeah, that's an Easter egg, but we'll get into that in the next video. So, today we'll be taking a look at Racing Red Jackson Storm, and I got him from my usual supplier. Of course, you guys know at this point, Get Me Collectibles, of course. So yeah, he was not seen in the movie in this fabulous red paint job, and it looks cool. And this is also the first time as a single you can buy the Champion Jackson Storm, except for the NASCAR version. Because in my unboxing I was like, is mine an error because this does not have rookie racing stripes? But it has the Piston Cup logo champion here, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so let's start off with the packaging review. So we can see the Racing Red logo here, Jackson Storm Roger de Couleurs, Jackson Storm Vermelholos, don't even know what that says. Mattel 3+, of course there's the car we're taking a closer look at. There's the artwork. I'm glad they didn't actually do a black Jackson Storm artwork, because we know how Mattel and how lazy they are. It is for new for 2021, new Novo 2021. Car's logo is up here, and of course metal, very light though. On the back we can see Meta, which I did review already, so check out that video. Jackson Storm. Other ones we will be getting Francesco, Sally, Danica Cruz, and one other, which is most likely Lightning McQueen, but not 100% sure. We can see Car's logo up here. Of course, made in Thailand, and yeah. So, be right back with this guy all opened up. Times 2 speed again. Let's go. Guys, this diecast is just amazing. Look at that. The only issue I have with this diecast is the eye plate. Look how... Nah, the eye plate puts me off by like a 10 mark. But yeah, apart from that, this is a 10 out of 10. Even the spoiler is different. But yeah, so for his movie's appearance, this Jackson Storm didn't appear in the movie with this paint job. He appeared in the movie with this paint job only. So, yeah, won't throw a picture up, but we know where Jackson Storm appeared. He is a main character. He is a Piston Cup racer, but yeah. So, of course, as you guys know, red cars actually struggle to record on a camera. I don't know what it is. It's always red cars. But you can see that metallic paint. It looks phenomenal. Of course, we can see his diecast now. The usual next gen expression, or the Jackson Storm expression he has. Even though here he's smiling. Mattel, what's going on there? Although, for some reason the bumper here seems to be a little bit wonky, but oh well. There's the lights. On the hood we can see how shiny that is. That just feels so shiny. Here's IGNTR, Liquid Aerodynes logo here. Again, the plastic eye plate, which is the only negative thing about this diecast. You can see the expression. Would like it if Mattel actually did paint the eyes in, but I guess they didn't. Oh, I just found out. Oh, guys, you want to buy this one. Definitely. Anyways, he's got the 2.0 on his roof as usual. Window bars, roof flaps. Pretty cool. Why did it say window bars? The window bars are here. Anyways, his black spoiler. That spoiler looks cool. And if you rub your finger across it, you can feel the indented print, which is actually pretty cool. Liquid L lines again. That spoiler. Looks to be like a different spoiler though, but it's not. Going on to the side, you can see the usual paint job that Jackson does have, with the light year red rims, which are pretty sick. And of course, that metallic red paint just looks amazing. I'd highly advise you to go get one, or even 3. I want to get 3 now. Of course, Jackson Storm up here, blurry window bars, Piston Cup champion logo up top here, which looks amazing. 2.0 again. Carbon Cyber Combustion and Synergy, the sponsors. Now this S logo is the hurricane symbol, but except for that, oh, you guys need to own this. You need to feel your finger over it. It actually feels amazing. It feels like every single one of these like hexagons here are imprinted, and it feels cool. Anyways, we've got the pity arrow here, IGNTR again, fuel cap, the back. Of course, this isn't the first one without the rookie racing stripes, which will go in a bit, but this is the first Piston Cup Champion version. But there seems to be like a missing decal, because let me guys get it for you if I can in a second, which of course you should have the Piston Cup Champion logo like here or somewhere here, but for some reason the diecast doesn't show that, so perhaps this is an error, not 100% sure, but it does look pretty cool. Anyways, here is the base, made in week 46 in the A factory, Thailand. Comparing to his regular Thailand release now, we can see the different colours in spoiler. You can hardly see IGNTR on the spoiler on the Thailand one. And then it just looks amazing. Look, that just looks cool. Of course, this is the rookie one versus this one. That metallic paint. Oh, guys, I'd hardly advise you get one of these. At least one to open. Anyways, for Jackson Storm's other releases, we did get a silver release. Again, this is the Piston Cup Champion as well. For some reason, he doesn't have that Piston Cup Champion sticker on the back. But yep, so there's this one, and then there is the exclusive Toys R Us promo Steel Blue Jackson Storm from Malaysia, which looks cool. And he's even got the Piston Cup Champion logo here, but on this one he's got the rookie racing stripes. I never realised that before, and I've reviewed him twice. So I put them here, and here is Jackson Storm. There is some other red metallic cars out there, which is Meta. Make sure you check out my video on this one, it is just sick. And we also got ones that have been released before, like Francesco. I want to know how like Mattel do it. Will they do the spoiler this time metallic? Just have to wait and see. We'll put him here. We got Well Gone Pre Lightning McQueen in metallic red paint. We also got the Hudson Hornet Piston Cup Lightning McQueen, which is this one here, but with metallic paint, and of course without the bunny ears. But yeah, that does end today's video on this amazing Jackson Storm. Again, it looks amazing. You gotta buy it. If you guys are new, smash that like button, subscribe, always leave a like. Of course, hit that bell down here as well. And of course, we want white subscribers, not red ones. As always, I always say this. Of course, to the next one. Peace, guys.